Hey guys, I wanted to share with you how to do a cheesesteak skillet pizza. So let's check it out. First, we're going to make our fathead dough. So that's going to be 1.5 cups of mozzarella, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, and 2 ounces of cream cheese. Then we're going to microwave this for about 1 minute. Alright, so now I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright, now that my hands are clean, I am going to chop this onion. I think I'm prepared, so maybe for once in my life I won't cry while chopping an onion, but I might chop my finger off because it's starting to fog up in here and I might not be able to see, so let's do it! And actually, while I'm chopping this, I'm going to go ahead and get this skillet heating up because we're going to saute our onion and bell pepper when we're done chopping them. So I'm just going to put this on medium high. And I'm gonna add avocado oil, but I'm just gonna wait until it heats up right before I put everything in. So, let's do it. So, just to check in, I'm not crying, my eyes aren't watering, but I can definitely smell the onion. It's not great. I guess I can go ahead and remove these. And now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this bell pepper. Okay, so I've got my onion and bell pepper chopped. And I've got my pan over here heating up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some avocado oil. And while those are just kind of sitting, I found this at Kroger. Basically you just want to get some really thinly sliced beef. They had some thin cut tri-tip or something, but the butcher told me to use this. We're going to use a 1/2 pound of this. Go ahead and salt and pepper this. Pepper it and throw in our minced garlic. So first, you're gonna oil your cast iron just a little bit. If you do too much, your dough is just gonna shrink back up. So don't do too much. You just want enough that it's not gonna stick. And then you can just spread your dough in the bottom of it, of your cast iron. Alright, and now that we've got our dough, go ahead and add our toppings. So I'm going to do the peppers and onion first. And now that we've got the peppers and onions added, I've left a little crust around the edge, as you can see. We are going to add some sliced provolone cheese. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the beef on top. Don't burn yourself. We're gonna add some white American cheese on top. So, we've got fathead dough, sauteed peppers, onions, and thinly sliced beef, provolone cheese, and white American cheese. This is gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
And while you're waiting on that, you can always eat a piece of cheese.
Okay, this has just come out of the oven. Oh my god. I'm gonna let it cool for, I don't know, however long it takes until it's cool, but I wanted to show you this first. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfectly crispy crust under there. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't want to mess it up anymore. So. Alright, this has been cooling for a while, so I am going to go ahead and cut it up and take a slice out. And there you have it. Cheesesteak skillet pizza.